Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install CPU-Z on Windows in a very simple way. What you can do, you can simply click on your browser and then simply come over into the search option and then simply search for CPU-Z download. Click on that and then you're going to get CPU-Z softwares. Click on this. After that, here you're going to click on Windows for close it, and from here you're going to get setup English. So if you click on it, download now, click on download, and now as you can see that the download has been completed. Now if you click on this folder icon, here is your CPU-Z down installer.exe. So if you click on it 2 times to install, click on run, click yes for the permission, and now you can simply minimize all of your background tab. Then you can simply click on I accept the agreement, click next, next, and install. Very simple. So here is now your CPU-Z is rightly came into your desktop icon. You can simply open it by click on yes, and as you can see, your CPU-D or CPU-Z is rightly opened, as you can see. So yeah, this is how you can simply download and install CPU-Z in your computer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in the videos. Till then, goodbye.